Are you trying to log in your Telegram desktop but the code is not coming through? In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guides on how to solve this issue on your desktop. Let's get started. But before you get started, if you like such videos, make sure that you subscribe and like for more related videos like this. Well, Telegram is one of the most popular messaging app worldwide, and its security system lies on sending you a login code to verify your identity. But in some cases, the code doesn't arrive, and that can be so frustrating, especially when you want to access your chats on either your Windows machine or the Mac machine. Now let's talk about the common reasons why this happens. If you don't have a stable connection, you may likely face challenges. Now if you're facing a challenge with unstable internet, that means that your device can't be able to communicate with the Telegram servers, hence you're not getting the code. Now this is the most popular issue that users face when Telegram sends the code to your other device instead of sending the code to your current device that you're using. Please note that whenever you use Telegram on a device, make sure that you log out, because you never know, you may lose that device and now you go into issues. Remember, Telegram relies so much on security protocols like that, the login protocol. It should make sure that you're the owner of the account. So at times the code is sent to a Telegram device that you've ever used. So please make sure that you log out always. Now the other issue is spam folders. Yes, spam folders. Please try to check your phone and make sure that Telegram didn't send the code and it was maybe stored into a spam folder. Try checking these folders. You may find that Telegram has sent the code and the code has directly gone to your spam folder. Now the other issue is about wrong number. This may include maybe the country code that you've used during the login process, or you've changed a slight number in that number. That means that's a different number, so you won't be able to get the Telegram login code. It will be sent to the phone number that you've used currently, so you need to double check your phone number to be on a safer side. Now let's go into the practical session so that you know how to maneuver through these issues. Now let's first download Telegram. So you just go to get Telegram for Windows 64-bit machine. So here we are. Then we'll just tap download. So it's downloading Telegram for Windows. So when we go back to our download page, there is a section where it says the portable version. So in case you want a portable version, you can also download it. So our download is done. So you just come right here and select start messaging. It will bring us to this section where we can either scan from our existing Telegram account on our phone or log in using the number. Then we'll insert the number, then click next. So the code has been sent to your other Telegram devices, but in case you don't have any devices connected, you select this option of send code via SMS. Now it's saying that please enter the code that was sent to you via Telegram or via QR code. If you haven't signed up for Telegram yet, please register from your phone or tablet first. This shows us that Telegram has changed its systems. Back in the day, we used to use the SMS on the desktop app, but now you can't. Since Telegram is prioritizing receiving of SMS on your device, you need to log in using your phone or tablet in order to receive the SMS. Now let's dive deep into the pros and cons. Pros: keeps your account secure, no password to steal. Login is fast when everything works right. Cons: no code means no access. You can get locked out temporarily. Relies on multiple devices or email, which can confuse some users. Now that's how you can solve this issue on your Telegram desktop. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.